What's up guys, check out this nose and ear wax kit. So it comes with the wax itself in this little container, and you gotta heat this stuff up in the microwave. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It also comes with the wax sticks where you apply the wax to your nose or your ear. And then it also comes with some post-waxing aftercare wipes so that you can wipe all that stuff off. And then it does come with these cool little mustaches, which are supposed to protect your upper lip in case the wax drips down. So we're gonna go ahead and try to wax our nose and we'll see how it goes. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 6 minutes, get it all heated up, and then we're gonna apply it. So we got our wax, we're gonna go ahead and put it in our nose. All right guys, it's been 2 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and yank it out. And you can see it got quite a bit of hair. So it does work, so go ahead and check it out.